Keysight Threat Simulator Online Training. What is Keysight Threat Simulator and how does it enhance cyber resilience? Keysight Threat Simulator is a breach and attack simulation (BUS) platform that continuously assesses an organization's security posture by simulating real-world cyber threats. It helps security teams identify vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, and gaps in their defenses before attackers can exploit them. How it enhances cyber resilience. Continuous security validation simulates real-world attacks, including malware, phishing, and ransomware. Ensures security controls, firewalls, SIEMs, endpoint protection are working effectively. Automated attack simulations runs pre-built and custom attack scenarios without disrupting live environments. Identifies weak points in networks, endpoints, cloud, and email security. Actionable remediation guidance provides detailed reports with recommendations to mitigate vulnerabilities. Helps security teams prioritize remediation efforts efficiently. Integration with security ecosystem works with SIEM, SOAR, and other security tools to automate response and monitoring. Enhances threat intelligence with real-time attack insights. Compliance and risk management helps meet security compliance frameworks, NIST, ISO 27001, PCI DSS. Ensures organizations maintain continuous cyber resilience. How to set up and configure Keysight Threat Simulator for your network. Setting up and configuring Keysight Threat Simulator involves several steps to ensure effective security validation and attack simulation across your network. Here's a step-by-step guide to get started. Step 1. Prepare your environment. Before deploying Keysight Threat Simulator, ensure you have administrative access to your network and security appliances. Credentials for configuring firewalls, IDs, IPS, and SIEM solutions. A VMware ES11 or KVM environment to host the virtual components. Internet access for updates and communication with the Keysight Cloud. Step 2. Deploy the Attack Simulation Appliance, ASA. The Attack Simulation Appliance, ASA, acts as a traffic generator for security validation. Download the ASA image. Obtain the ASA OVA for VMware or QCOW2 for KVM from Keysight. Deploy the image on your hypervisor. Assign network interfaces. One interface connects to the Keysight Cloud. Another interface should be within the network segment under test. Activate the ASA. Power on the ASA and note its IP address. Configure network settings if necessary. Register ASA with Threat Simulator. Log into Keysight Threat Simulator Cloud. Add a new attack simulation appliance using the ASA's IP address. Ensure connectivity by running a basic network test. Step 3. Configure security integrations. Integrate Threat Simulator with your firewalls, IDs, IPS, SIEM, and other security tools for real-time threat analysis. Navigate to integrations in Threat Simulator. Add security tools. SIEM, provide API keys or syslog details. Firewalls, use admin credentials or API access. Endpoint security. Configure with API or agent-based monitoring. Verify security controls. Run a basic test to check if security solutions detect simulated threats. What are the key features and capabilities of Keysight Threat Simulator? Keysight Threat Simulator is a breach and attack simulation bus platform that helps organizations continuously validate their security defenses by simulating real-world cyber threats in a safe environment. It provides security teams with actionable insights to enhance their security posture. Key features and capabilities. 1. Continuous security validation. Simulates real-world attack scenarios based on the MITRE ATT and CK framework. Tests security controls against the latest cyber threats. Helps identify gaps in detection and response. 2. Automated attack simulations. Conducts automated and on-demand attack simulations. Emulates adversary techniques such as phishing, ransomware, malware, lateral movement, and privilege escalation. Runs in a safe, controlled environment without impacting business operations. 3. Security posture assessment. Identifies weaknesses in endpoint, network, cloud, and email security. Provides detailed risk reports with remediation recommendations. Offers continuous monitoring to measure the effectiveness of security improvements. 4. Integration with SIEM and SOAR. Integrates with Security Information and Event Management, SIEM, and Security Orchestration, Automation, and Response, SOAR, solutions. Improves incident detection and response by validating security tool configurations. Ensures logs and alerts are properly generated and processed. 5. Cloud and hybrid environment testing. Simulates attacks on on-premises, cloud, and hybrid infrastructures. Validates security policies and controls in AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Helps organizations assess their zero-trust architecture. 6. MITRE ATT and CK mapping. Aligns attack simulations with MITRE ATT and CK tactics, techniques, and procedures, TTPs. Helps security teams understand how attackers operate. Enables organizations to prioritize security improvements based on adversary behavior. 7. Compliance and risk management. Assists in meeting compliance standards like NIST, ISO 27001, PCI DSS, and GDPR. Provides reports and evidence for audit and regulatory requirements. Helps reduce overall cyber risk exposure. How does Keysight Threat Simulator simulate real-world cyber threats? Keysight Threat Simulator is a breach and attack simulation bus platform designed to mimic real-world cyber threats and evaluate an organization's security posture. It continuously tests, validates, and enhances security controls against evolving threats. Here's how it works. 1. Simulating real-world cyber threats. Uses a constantly updated threat intelligence feed to replicate the latest tactics, techniques, and procedures, TTPs, of real-world attackers. Models adversary behaviors based on frameworks like MITRE ATT and CK and Cyber Kill Chain. 2. Automated attack scenarios. Deploys automated attack campaigns in a controlled environment. Tests for common vulnerabilities and misconfigurations. Conducts multistage attacks similar to Advanced Persistent Threats, APTs. 3. Network and endpoint testing. Simulates malware, ransomware, phishing, and insider threats. Tests email security, web gateways, firewalls, CM, and endpoint protection. Validates cloud and hybrid security configurations. 4. Continuous security validation. Runs scheduled and on-demand attack simulations to ensure defenses remain effective. Provides a risk score and security gaps report. Helps organizations prioritize remediation efforts. 5. Integration with security tools. Works with CM, SOAR, firewalls, EDR, and other security solutions. Validates if security controls detect, prevent, or miss simulated attacks. Provides insights into response times and effectiveness. 6. Compliance and reporting. Helps organizations meet compliance requirements, example NIST, GDPR, PCI DSS. Generates detailed reports for security teams and executives. 7. Adaptive learning and threat intelligence. Leverages AI-driven analytics to refine attack simulations. Ensures real-world relevance by incorporating threat actor tactics. How to analyze and interpret security gaps with Keysight Threat Simulator. Keysight Threat Simulator is a breach and attack simulation (BUS) platform that helps organizations assess their security posture by simulating real-world cyber attacks. To analyze and interpret security gaps effectively using Keysight Threat Simulator, follow these steps. 1. Configure and run simulations. Define attack scenarios. Choose from pre-built scenarios based on MITRE ATT and CK framework or customize attacks relevant to your environment. Target network segments, identify critical assets and configure attack paths. Run control attacks. Simulate attacks across endpoints, firewalls, IDs, IPS, and CM systems. 2. Analyze simulation results. Review attack paths. Examine how threats infiltrated and moved laterally within your network. Identify missed detections. Check which attacks bypassed existing security controls. Assess prevention and detection. Determine if security tools successfully blocked, detected, or missed threats. 3. Interpret security gaps. Gaps in endpoint security. If malware simulations execute successfully, endpoint protection might need tuning. Weak network controls. If lateral movement occurs unchecked, segmentation of firewall rules might require updates. CM and SOC visibility issues. If attacks go undetected in logs, security event correlation and alerting rules may need adjustment. 4. Take corrective actions. Update security policies, adjust firewall rules, endpoint configurations, and access controls. Fine-tune CM and alerts, improve log correlation, enhance threat detection rules, and reduce false positives. Patch and harden systems, address software vulnerabilities and misconfigurations found during testing. 5. Continuous validation and optimization. Retest regularly. Conduct periodic assessments to measure security improvements. Benchmark against MITRE ATT and CK. Ensure defenses align with evolving attack techniques. Automate and integrate. Leverage APIs to integrate with SIEMs and SOAR platforms for proactive security. What are the best practices for running automated attack simulations in Keysight Threat Simulator? Running automated attack simulations in Keysight Threat Simulator effectively requires careful planning, execution, and analysis to improve security posture. Here are the best practices. 1. Define clear objectives. Identify the specific security controls or network segments you want to test. Set goals such as testing endpoint security, network defenses, email security, or cloud security. 2. Keep the threat library updated. Ensure the threat intelligence subscription is up to date. Regularly update attack scenarios to simulate new and emerging threats. 3. Simulate attacks in a controlled environment. Use segmentation to avoid disruptions in production systems. Run tests in non-critical hours to minimize business impact. 4. Customize attack simulations. Tailor attacks based on industry-specific threats, example ransomware, phishing, lateral movement. Adjust scenarios to match the organization's security policies and infrastructure. 5. Validate security controls effectiveness. Test firewalls, IPS-IDs, EDR, email security, and CM solutions. Measure detection rates, prevention capabilities, and response times. 6. Analyze results and prioritize remediation. Review detailed reports on security gaps. Prioritize high-risk vulnerabilities and false negatives. Validate whether security teams receive proper alerts in CM SOC. 7. Automate and schedule regular testing. Set up continuous or periodic attack simulations. Automate reporting and alerting for SOC and security teams. 8. Integrate with security tools. Ensure Threat Simulator integrates with CM, SOAR, and EDR for real-time threat validation. Leverage API-based automation for proactive defense. 9. Conduct purple team exercises. Work with red and blue teams to improve attack detection and response. Use simulation results to refine incident response plans. 10. Ensure compliance with security policies. Validate security measures align with NIST, MITRE ATT and CK, PCI DSS, ISO 27001, or other frameworks. Maintain an audit trail for compliance reporting. How can Keysight Threat Simulator help improve SOC, Security Operations Center, efficiency? Keysight Threat Simulator can significantly enhance the efficiency of a Security Operations Center, SOC, by providing continuous security validation, proactive threat detection, and automated remediation insights. Here's how it contributes to SOC efficiency. 1. Continuous security validation. Simulates real-world cyber attacks to test the resilience of SOC defenses. Identifies misconfigurations and gaps in security controls. Reduces the risk of false positives and ensures security tools function correctly. 2. Proactive threat detection and response. Emulates advanced persistent threats, APTs, ransomware, and malware. Helps SOC teams detect threats before they become real incidents. Improves mean time to detect (MTTD) and mean time to respond (MTTR). 3. Optimized incident response. Provides detailed insights into attack paths and their impact. Enhances SOC analysts' ability to prioritize threats based on risk. Reduces alert fatigue by validating and tuning CM and EDR rules. 4. Automated testing and reporting. Runs continuous breach and attack simulations, but without disrupting operations. Generates compliance and risk assessment reports for audits. Helps SOC teams measure security effectiveness over time. 5. Training and skill development. Provides hands-on experience for SOC analysts in handling real-world attack scenarios. Strengthens cybersecurity awareness and decision-making skills. Prepares SOC teams for emerging threats and evolving attack techniques. Why choose ProExcellency for Keysight Threat Simulator online training? Instructor expertise. Ensure that the trainers have substantial experience with the Keysight Threat Simulator and a strong background in cybersecurity. Hands-on training, practical experience is crucial. A quality program should offer hands-on sessions that simulate real-world scenarios, allowing you to apply theoretical knowledge effectively. Curriculum alignment. The course content should align with current industry standards and cover all essential aspects of the Keysight Threat Simulator, including its features, functionalities, and best practices. Student feedback. Look for reviews or testimonials from previous participants to gauge the effectiveness of the training program. Certification. Check if the training provides a recognized certification upon completion, which can enhance your professional credentials. Thank you.